So you were interested in Armenian coins, and you got these coins and you're not too sure what the value is or even what they are. So today we are reviewing the coins from Armenia that are currently in circulation in 2025. So welcome, my name is Glenn, this is Gourmet Coins and Banknotes, and in front of me we have the 6 coins that are currently circulating in Armenia. Now for reference, I've got an Australian $1, Japanese 100 yen. If you're from Europe, don't have any current European coins on the table. So a lot of you have been to Turkey, so this is the size of a 25 kurus from Turkey. So as you can see, all the coins in Armenia are actually quite small. Smallest is 20 millimeters, which is the 10 dram. Yes, the currency is called the dram, equivalent to 100 luma, but they haven't used the luma since they first issued those coins in 1993. Largest coin is a 200 dram, which is 24 millimeters. Okay, and all of these are in different metals. So we have the smaller coin, the aluminium 10 dram. We have the copper plated steel 20. We have the brass plated steel 50. And these ones should tone similar, but when they're issued, this one's more brownish colour and this one's a yellowish colour. Then we have the nickel plated steel 100. And the 200 is a copper aluminium nickel, so pretty much an aluminium bronze. And this one's a bimetal coin, so the 500. So it's got a copper nickel core. And the outside of it is the same as this, so it's a copper aluminium nickel. Now I'm not too sure on the composition of the alloys. So this is a metal, this is just one element, aluminium. This is an alloy, and that's an alloy, so it's made out of different electrons, different elements in the periodic table. And it's the same with most coins. Very few coins are actually pure, because pure metals are either a bit expensive or they just don't strike well as an actual coin. Okay, so taking the largest coin, which is this 200 dram, we can see in the background it has shading. As far as I know, there's no security features that are on this in the background. And this coin is equivalent to 80 Australian cents, so they do have high value coins. Now on the other side we have the coat of arms of Armenia. Now around it just says the Central Bank of Armenia, and we have down below the denomination. So the coat of arms is made up of, so what we have is an eagle and a lion, and it's in a two-headed form, which is a two-headed eagle. The kingdoms around the area at the time, so the Hittites, the Mitanni, used a two-headed eagle, and it actually predates those empires themselves. So in the coat of arms, in the center we have Mount Ararat, and up the top of it has Noah's Ark. So the main religion of Armenia is Christianity. So in the lower left, so this is two eagles looking at each other, and it symbolizes the Taxid dynasty from the 2nd century BC. Up the top we have a lion with a cross, and symbolizing Breguatuni dynasty, probably 9th to 12th century. So it's a quite extensive time period between these two. Then we have, so up in this corner we have the Sassanid dynasty. So they ruled from the 1st to 4th century BC. Oh no, not BC, AD. So basically this was the dynasty that had a lot of interactions with the Romans and the Parthians. Oh, it would have been, yeah, the Parthians and then the Sassanids, because that's just the time period. And the last area of the shield, last area, we have a lion with a cross, and this is Cilicia, Armenia. So that is not in the region of current Armenia, it's down south. You can look it up on the internet, and that's the last dynasty. So the earliest dynasty is this one. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it represents the major periods of Armenian history. So that's what is on the coat of arms, and that's really the only important thing about this coin. Now, as for the exchange rate, there's about 250 dram equals 1 Australian dollar. So this is equivalent to 2 Australian dollars, 80 cents. This one, 40 cents. Then we have 20 cents. Then we have, so if that's 80 cents, that's 8 cents, and this one's 4 cents. So the smallest coin is 4 cents. The largest coin is $2 Australian. But the purchasing power, with the average wage of being about 9,000 American dollars, you can purchase about $24,000 worth of products. So that is about 2.5 times. So really, the $2 should be able to buy about $5 worth of items that we'll buy in Australia. That's just basically how it goes. Although it's not, that's just an overall gathering of all goods. Certain goods will be more expensive in Armenia, cheaper in Australia, and vice versa. Some items will be more expensive in Australia and cheaper in Armenia. So anyway, I hope this helps you with your Armenian coins. Now, if you wanted to buy these, I see that the lowest they go is $12, and that's excluding postage. Most of them are overseas, so you're paying at least $10 postage. So really, you'll be paying about $25 to get a whole set. And that's just a whole set, all up as just one of these coins in each denomination. So you get 6 coins in all. So I reckon the best thing you can do is probably exchange it on one of the coin catalogs known that has an exchange, or make friends with someone from Armenia, in which they can send you some coins and you can send them some coins from your country. Anyway, hope this helps you with your Armenian coins and collecting. Thank you very much. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time, and take care.